Welcome to Zera's English Story, where we ignite your journey to greatness with powerful insights and actionable strategies. Today, we're diving into an exhilarating mission: how to completely transform your life in just 180 days, 6 months. Why 6 months? It's the perfect sweet spot. A year feels too far, tempting you to procrastinate, while a month races by too fast for deep change. 6 months strikes the ideal balance, long enough to achieve monumental results, yet short enough to keep your fire burning. Isn't that thrilling? What's mind-boggling is how most people spend more time planning a weekend getaway than designing their future. They'll scroll endlessly for the perfect vacation spot, but hesitate to map out their dreams. Not you. You're here because a spark inside you is ready to blaze. Let me ask you, if you keep coasting on your current path, where will you be 6 months from now? Same routine, same paycheck, same struggles, same excuses. Here's a truth to let sink in. What you don't change, you choose. Pause and reflect on that. The magic of a 6 month plan lies in its potent mix of urgency and opportunity. You can't dawdle. 180 days will fly, but you have ample time to create seismic shifts. It's the ultimate formula for transformation, and we're about to unpack how to make it happen. Let's explore the heart of your 6 month transformation with 18 powerful principles. Success isn't about juggling a million tasks. It's about mastering a few critical actions with relentless consistency. Persistence fuels progress, and repetition forges mastery. These principles will guide you to unlock your potential and reshape your future. First principle: razor sharp vision. You must know exactly what you want with pinpoint clarity. Vague dreams yield vague results. Precise goals deliver precise outcomes. Write this down. Vision is your rocket fuel. When your aspirations are vivid, the universe seems to align to make them real. What's staggering? Most people can rant for hours about what's wrong, their dead-end job, dwindling savings, or strained relationships, but ask them to define their ideal life, and they stumble. Tonight, carve out time. Grab a notebook and paint a detailed picture of your life 6 months from now. Don't settle for fluffy wishes like "I want to be happy." Be bold. I want to boost my income by $3,000 a month, master conversational Spanish, shed 20 pounds, and launch a blog with 1,000 readers. Feel the power of that specificity? It's like setting the GPS for your destiny. Second principle: mindset mastery. Your mental lens shapes how you navigate life's twists. It's not the events that define your path, it's how you respond to them. Picture a sailboat. The wind doesn't control its course, the sails do. Here's a gem. Success isn't a stroke of luck or a mystery. It's the natural outcome of consistently applying simple fundamentals. The catch? What's easy to do is just as easy to skip. It's simple to meditate for 10 minutes daily, but it's just as simple to doom scroll instead. It's easy to save $10 a week, but it's just as easy to splurge on coffee. Over the next 6 months, train your mind to choose growth over comfort. Rewire your thinking to see obstacles as stepping stones, not roadblocks. Third principle: your tribe. You're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Etch that in your mind. Over the next 6 months, curate your circle with intention. Some folks are best loved from a distance, those who drain your energy or dim your spark. You'll meet 2 types of people: those who ignite your ambition and those who sap your drive. Your mission? Amplify time with the uplifters and minimize the naysayers. What's fascinating? Most of us tap into just 20 to 25% of our true potential. Why? Because we're stuck in survival mode, trudging through days, instead of mining them for growth. Surround yourself with people who challenge you to aim higher and act bolder. They'll pull you toward your best self. Fourth principle: self-reflection. Become a detective of your own life. Start a journal today. Yes, today. Track your wins, note your lessons, analyze your habits. Tiny tweaks in your daily rhythm can snowball into massive shifts over 6 months. For example, commit to 20 minutes of skill building daily, be it a coding tutorial, a language app, or a leadership podcast. In 180 days, that's 30,600 minutes, 60 hours of growth. Imagine the expertise you'll gain, the doors that could open. A journal isn't just a record, it's a mirror showing you where you're thriving and where you're stalling. It's your roadmap to becoming the person your dreams demand. Fifth principle, self-investment. This goes beyond money, though that's part of it. It's about pouring time, energy, and resources into your growth. Okay, here's the equation. Formal education earns you a living. Self-education builds your legacy. Ask yourself, how much have you bet on yourself lately? People will drop $150 on a night out without blinking, but hesitate to spend $50 on a course that could redefine their future. Isn't that odd? Over the next 6 months, prioritize tools that elevate you. Books, seminars, mentors, online programs. If someone's living your dream, they know something you don't. Invest in their wisdom. Attend a workshop, join a mastermind, or dive into a book that stretches your mind. Every dollar and minute you spend on yourself compounds over time. Sixth principle, the compound effect. Small, steady steps create colossal results. Improve by just 1% daily, and in 6 months, you'll be light years ahead. What's wild? Most people pine for a single blockbuster moment of success, a lottery win, a viral post. But real progress is forged in the quiet accumulation of daily choices. Read 10 pages a day, and you'll devour 1,800 pages, 6 to 8 books, in 6 months. Save $5 a day, and you'll have $900 by year's end. These micro actions stack up, creating momentum that's unstoppable. Seventh principle, audacious goals. Ditch timid, safe targets. Set goals that thrill you, scare you, and make your heart race. If they don't feel a little out of reach, they're too small. But here's the trick. Slice those big dreams into daily, actionable steps. Want to run a marathon? Start with a 10-minute jog today. Want to start a business? Research one idea this week. Success lives in what you do relentlessly, not occasionally. Over the next 6 months, let your goals stretch you. They'll pull you toward a bigger version of yourself. Eighth principle, your environment. Your surroundings either propel you or hold you back. Over the next 6 months, design a space that radiates possibility. Declutter your desk, organize your home, curate a vibe that energizes you. A chaotic environment breeds chaotic thinking. A clear space fosters clear focus. Here's a game changer. You can't rewrite your entire life overnight, but you can pivot its direction tonight. One decision, say to clear your workspace or set up a morning routine, can spark a radically different tomorrow. Your environment is your silent partner in success. Make it work for you. Ninth principle, your standards. Your life aligns with the benchmarks you set. Raise them, and your reality rises. Lower them, and it sinks. Over the next 6 months, demand excellence in every area. Your health, your work, your relationships. Don't settle for a mediocre fitness routine. Commit to one that makes you feel unstoppable. Don't accept stagnant career growth. Seek opportunities that challenge you. High standards aren't about perfection. They're about refusing to settle for less than you're capable of. 10th principle, daily rituals. Your habits sculpt your destiny. What you do every day matters more than what you do once in a while. Try this. Wake up 45 minutes earlier daily. That's 135 extra hours over 6 months, equivalent to 3 full work weeks. Imagine what you could achieve. Launching a side hustle, mastering a skill, or building a fitness routine. Time is the ultimate equalizer. We all get 24 hours. It's how you wield them that sets you apart. Craft rituals that align with your goals, like meditating for 10 minutes or planning your day each evening. These small habits are the bricks of your future. 11th principle, accountability. Responsibility sharpens your edge. Find a partner, coach, or group to share your journey. Report your progress, celebrate your wins, and own your setbacks. Here's a quirk: we'll push harder to avoid disappointing others than to please ourselves. Leverage that. Join a mastermind group, share your goals with a trusted friend, or hire a coach. Over the next 6 months, let accountability be your secret weapon. It'll keep you on track when motivation wanes. 12th principle, resilience. Challenges are inevitable, they're part of the journey. The secret? Recover quickly. Success isn't about dodging failure, it's about rising one more time than you fall. Over the next 6 months, you'll face setbacks, a missed deadline, a rejected idea, a bad day. Don't let them define you. Instead, ask, what can I learn? How can I adapt? Resilience is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. 13th principle, laser focus. Where your attention goes, your energy flows. Over the next 6 months, zero in on your priorities. Don't mistake busyness for progress. It's easy to fill your day with tasks, but are they moving you toward your goals? Motivation sparks the journey, but discipline carries you across the finish line. Build habits that endure beyond fleeting enthusiasm, whether it's a daily writing practice or a consistent workout schedule. Focus is your superpower. Wield it wisely. 14th principle, celebrate progress. Don't hoard joy for the finish line. Revel in every step forward, no matter how small. Did you stick to your morning routine for a week? Celebrate it. Did you finish a book that stretched your mind? Acknowledge it. Celebration fuels momentum, keeping you motivated for the long haul. Over the next 6 months, study those who've walked your path. Their books, podcasts, and systems are your shortcuts to success. Learn from their wins and mistakes to accelerate your journey. 15th principle, impact. True success is tied to service. The more value you create for others, the more you attract into your life. Over the next 6 months, seek ways to uplift those around you, whether it's mentoring a colleague, volunteering in your community, or sharing your knowledge online. Your worth grows with your contribution. Here's a truth: your income rarely outpaces your personal growth. Want to earn more? Become more skilled, more knowledgeable, more valuable. 16th principle, decisiveness. Act swiftly on choices and adjust slowly. Hesitation breeds stagnation. Bold decisions drive progress. Every choice you make today shapes your 6-month future. Want to start a business? Decide to research one idea today. Want to get fit? Commit to a workout this week. Over the next 6 months, practice making decisions with confidence, trusting that you can course correct as needed. Your future self will thank you for choosing action over indecision. 17th principle, gratitude. Appreciation rewires your perspective, turning what you have into enough. Start a daily ritual. Write down 3 things you're thankful for, big or small. Maybe it's a supportive friend, a sunny morning, or a small win at work. In 180 days, that's 540 moments of gratitude, shifting your mindset to abundance. What you cherish grows, attracting more reasons to be grateful. Over the next 6 months, let gratitude be your anchor, keeping you grounded amid challenges. 18th principle, curiosity. Stay hungry to learn. The world is a classroom, and every experience is a lesson. Over the next 6 months, embrace the unknown. Ask questions, seek answers, explore new ideas. Curious people innovate, adapt, and thrive. Want to grow your career? Research a new skill. Want to enrich your life? Dive into a subject that fascinates you. Curiosity keeps your journey vibrant and opens doors you didn't know existed. Here's the bottom line. Change is coming, but growth is a choice. 6 months from now, you'll be somewhere. Where depends on the seeds you plant today. Your daily habits hold the blueprint to your destiny. Life doesn't blossom by chance, it thrives by design, your design. Don't wait for a flawless moment. Seize this one. 6 months will pass regardless. Will you weave a story of bold action and breakthroughs or one of hesitation and regrets? The pen is in your hand. At Zera's English Story, we believe your potential is limitless. The wisdom exists, the strategies are proven, the possibilities are endless. The only question is, will you act? Not next year, not next month, now. Take one insight from today and run with it. Start that journal, set that goal, make that move. Let these 6 months be your masterpiece. Demand greatness, give your all, and watch your life soar. Thank you for joining Zera's English Story. Subscribe, hit that bell, and share this with someone ready to rewrite their story. Let's make these next 6 months the most extraordinary of your life. Your future is calling. Go claim it now.